JanFan has been a trusted provider of high-quality, high-performance industrial air circulation fans for over 60 years. The JanFan platform is designed to make fan assembly quick, intuitive, and painless. Minimal components and the use of common parts across the fan size range takes the challenge of assembly, maintenance, and backwards compatibility out of the picture. Each JanFan model can be assembled by a single person without the need for special or hard-to-find tools. JanFan air circulators are available in 20, 24, and 30-inch blade diameters and are highly visible in safety yellow. The JanFan cage design features 4-direction access points that can be opened by hand. This makes the recommended routine maintenance of wiping down the blades quick and convenient. A bright and long-lasting LED light can be quickly added to any fan cage using the flexible light mount. With versatile fan mounting options, JanFan products are designed to go wherever your facility needs air movement and lighting. Each fan features a powerful yet energy-efficient and lightweight motor that also makes mounting the fans simple. Whatever the application requires, in an open space on a pedestal, attached to an I-beam, column, or wall in a manufacturing or warehouse facility, or even in applications where the fan itself needs to be able to move, JanFan has the solution for your air circulation and lighting needs.